ஹாய்ண்ணா. நீங்கள் நான்வெஜ்ஜாண்ணா? வெஜிடேரியன் சொன்னாங்க. ఒకసారి అలా తిరిగేసి వస్తాను. ఫ్లోర్ ఫెసిలిటీ ఉంది కదా చెప్పాను, బాగుంది. హాయ్ బ్రో, சும்மா ப்ரோ ஒரு வீடியோ வச்சு. ஹாய் மேம். என்ன ப்ரோ? ஹாய் மேம். முடிச்சிட்டிங்களா மேம்? அதுக்குள்ளேயே என்ன
नहीं 2 दिन प्री रिटायरमेंट ट्रेनिंग था, इसीलिए रिटायरमेंट का भी एक
थैंक यू। நந்தினி மேம், நீங்கள் ஒரு ஹாய் சொல்லுங்கள். ஓகே ஹாய் சொல்லுங்கள். అది వచ్చిన మామూలుగా వీడియో తీసుకొచ్చి ఫోటోనా మ్యామ్? వీడియోనే తీస్తున్నాను డైరెక్ట్గా.
You people are coming straight for lunch? Yes? No doubt, no? Before lunch,
ఏం బ్రో
மார்ச் மாதம் 30ஆம் தேதி எல்லாரும்
சரி டேக் வீடியோ. நீங்கள் ஸ்மைல் பண்ணுங்க, அது போய் வீடியோ எடுத்துறேன்.
மதுரை மீனாட்சி அம்மன் கோயிலில் வாங்கி பிரசாதம் அவங்க கூட நம்ம கூட இருந்த நாட்கள்லாம் நம்ம மறக்கவே முடியாது. இந்த ஸ்டேட் பேங்குக்கு இம்பார்ட்டன்ட், ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட்னா சுஜா மேடத்தோட இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் தான். அவங்க எல்லாருமே நல்லா இருந்தாங்க. ஆனால் அவங்க ரொம்ப, நான் ஒரு நல்லா கலகலப்பாக இருப்பேன், அவங்களுக்கு கலகலப்பாக இருப்பாங்க. நான் இதே ஏரியாவில் 10 வருஷமாக இன்ஸ்பெக்டராக வேலை செஞ்சேன். இவங்களோட அணுகுமுறையும் அவங்களோட அந்த இதுவும், மேனேஜர்னா போகணும், நிற்கணும், எஸ் நோ அப்படி மட்டும் சொல்கிற ஆஃபீஸரை தான் நான் எல்லா ஸ்டேட் பேங்க்லேயும் பார்த்துருக்கேன். உள்ளே வாங்க, உட்காருங்க, தண்ணி குடிக்கிறீங்களா, டீ குடிக்கிறீங்களா, தமிழ்நாட்டில் கேட்டால் இவ்வளோ பெரிய ஒரு ஆந்திரா தெலுங்கா இருந்தாலும் தமிழ் மக்களை ஈர்க்கிற ஒரு இது. அதனாலயே இவங்க ஆபீஸ்ல எல்லா இடத்துலயும் ஆபீஸ்ல கொண்டு போய் மூவ் பண்ண விட்டுருக்காங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் நான். நானும் ஒரு பப்ளிக் சர்வெண்ட். நான் அவேர்னஸ் கொடுக்கறதுக்கும் பெண்ணோட உயர்வை பத்தி பேசுறதுக்கும் அங்கங்க நாங்க எல்லாம் மீட்டிங் போவோம். நம்ம உயர்வு, எங்களோட உயர்வு, எங்களோட பணங்கள் எவ்வளவு உயரணும், நாங்க என்ன இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணணும், எப்படி நீங்க இது பண்ணணும்ன்ற டீடைல்ஸ்லாம் இவங்க கிட்ட ரொம்ப கேட்டு தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டேன். ஒரு நல்ல ஆபீசரா இவங்க போறதுல நான் நைட்டு 12 மணிக்கு அன்று வந்தது அதே நிலா, இன்று வந்தது இதே நிலா, ஏங்க போறது ஸ்டேட் பேங்கில் எக்மோரிலா அப்படின்னு பாடிட்டேன் நான். இது மதுரை மீனாட்சி அம்மன் கோயில்ல இருந்து இவங்களுக்காக இன்னைக்கு நேற்று காலையில எனக்கு 4 குங்குமச்சிமிழி கொடுத்தாங்க. என்னோட அன்பு சகோதரிக்கு இந்த பரிசா கொடுக்குறேன். தலையில ரீனா சந்தன் கட்டுனா கப்பே மாதிரி ஸ்ட்ரைட்டனிங் பண்ணிருக்கேன். அப்படியே வந்து இதை பிடிங்க. இப்போ சமீபத்துல சிங்கப்பூர் போனேன். இந்த சென்டர் இன்னைக்கு ஃபுல்லா வேர்த்தாலும் உங்களுக்கு அதான் நடுங்கு. இது கொஞ்சம் ரொம்ப நல்லா ஸ்டேட் பேங்க். நான் வந்து மதுரையில வடபல சாரி மதுரையில பாட்டு பாடினாங்க. நைட் 12 மணிக்கு 2 லவர் மாதிரி நாங்க பாடிக்கிட்டோம். 2 சகோதரிகள் பாடுனோம். இப்போ இவங்க இங்க போலீஸ் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்ல வந்து இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்பீச் கொடுப்போம். அப்புறம் கல்ச்சுரல் ஆக்டிவிட்டிஸ் இருக்கும். வயசானவங்களும் வயசானதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் நம்மளால சந்தோஷமா இருக்கணும். ஆப் எடுத்துருங்க. வயசானதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் நம்ம சந்தோஷமா இருக்கும். நமக்கு அவ்வளவு மென்டல் ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் இருக்கும், பல பிரச்சனைகள் இருக்கும். நம்மளோட பாக்கெட்லயும் பையிலையும் செல்லுலையும் நிறைய பிரச்சனை இருக்கும். ஸ்டேட் பேங்க் ஸ்டாப் இருக்கிறதுலே ஸ்டேட் பேங்க் ஸ்டாப் தான் நிம்மதியான ஸ்டாப். அப்பவே நாங்க எங்க பொண்ணுங்களுக்கு பேங்க்ல மாப்பிள்ள இருக்காருன்னு தான் நாங்கெல்லாம் பார்த்துருக்கோம். நிம்மதியான டியூட்டி உங்களுக்கு. எங்களை மாதிரி டென்ஷன் கிடையாதுல்ல. அவங்களுக்கு மாலையெல்லாம் போட்டு ஹஸ்பண்ட் கையில கொடுத்து மாலை போட்டு பூவெல்லாம் வச்சு நாங்க வீட்டுல கொடையெல்லாம் புடிச்சு காசி யாத்திரை மாப்பிள்ள மாதிரி கொண்டு விட்டுட்டு வருவோம். ஆமா, பின்னாடி மாட்டி விடுங்க ரசிகீங்க. இருந்தாலும் பரவாயில்ல. முதல் என்னோட சர்வீஸ்ல 40 இயர்ஸ் சர்வீஸ் தமிழ்நாடு சென்னை போலீஸா வேலை செஞ்சேன். முதல்ல ஒரு ஸ்டேட் பேங்க்ல ஒரு சகோதரி ரிட்டையர்ட் ஆகுறது உள்ளூருக்கு 95% வருத்தமா இருக்குது. ரிட்டையர்ட்னாலே நம்ம இப்ப சிரிப்போம், வீட்டுல போய் தலையில கை வச்சுட்டு உட்காரணும். பிகாஸ் ஐ ஆம் ரிட்டையர்ட் பர்சன். ஸோ இவங்க போறது எனக்கு இது இருக்க எல்லா ஸ்டாஃபுமே. அந்த பிரதர் எனக்கு பேர் தெரியாது, அவர் கையெல்லாம் தான் இருக்குது. அவர் எனக்கு ரொம்ப நல்ல பரிச்சயம். நான்சி நல்ல ஸ்டாஃப். அப்புறம் சக்தி சிவம்னு இருப்பாங்க. ரொம்ப முக்கிய தேவசேனா. அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து ராமலட்சுமி தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட். அவங்க ஒரு வாரத்துக்கு மேல பேசவே மாட்டாங்க. ஆனா 4 வாரத்தை நான் பேச வச்சுட்டேன். அவங்க கிட்டதான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் போனேன். அம்மா நான் எக்மோர்ல இதே மெட்டர்னிட்டி ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் இன்சார்ஜா இருந்தேன். எக்மோர் லாண்ட் ஆர்டர்ல இருந்தேன். இங்க அப்போ வந்து உள்ள ஒரு கோபி இருக்கும் ஆஸ்பத்திரிக்குள்ள. அதுல ஃபுல் நாங்க தான் இன்சார்ஜ். குழந்தையெல்லாம் தூக்கிட்டு போயிடுவாங்கல்ல, அதெல்லாம் பார்ப்போம். அப்படி மயக்கமா இருப்பாங்க. டக்குன்னு இப்ப கொஞ்சம் நிறைய அந்த இதே குறைஞ்சிருக்கு. இந்த இதில் 7 இயர்ஸ் இருந்தேன். எல்லாமே ஆள் இதுவும் பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தேன். அதனால எனக்கு இந்த இடம் எக்மோர்னாலே எனக்கு ஒரு தாய் வீடு மாதிரி. நல்ல சகோதரியே கிடைச்சிருக்காங்க. எல்லாமே இந்த எக்மோர் பிரான்ச் ஸ்டேட் பேங்கை பொறுத்த அளவுக்கு எல்லாருமே நல்ல குட் பர்சன்ஸ். ஸோ எனக்கு அங்கே வந்து நான் ஃபுல் இன்வால்வ்மெண்ட்டோட வந்து இந்த என்டர்டெயின்மெண்ட் கலந்துக்கிறதுல ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். தேங்க்யூ எவ்ரிபடி. நம்மளுக்கு எங்க ஃபங்க்ஷன் தான் போகணும். ஆனா எங்களோட இவங்க கிராண்ட் சன்லாம் இருக்காங்க. அவங்கள விட்டுட்டு வருவேன். எப்போ பார்த்தாலும் அவங்களையும் தான் கூட்டிட்டு போவேன். இதுக்கு மட்டும் தான் வந்திருக்கேன் நான். இவங்க ரொம்ப எனக்கு அவ்வளவு ஒரு நல்ல தோழி, இளைய சகோதரி. தேங்க்யூ. இன்னும் நிறைய வெளியில அவுட்டர் பிரான்ச்சஸ் இருக்காங்க. நீங்க
இது மேடம் ஓடுதோ?
ஓகே, நீங்க எடுத்தது உங்கதா?
நான் தனியா మేడం சொன்னதே எடுக்கும் ఇప్పుడు తినేమో అన్లాక్ చేయాలి నువ్వు ఆల్రెడీ 1 మినిట్ ఓకే ஆக்சுவலி அங்கே லைட்டிங் அடிக்கும் சார்
ಈ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ చెప్పారా వెరీ యాక్టివ్ మేడం
ఓ నైస్
లేదు సార్ నాకు కొన్ని పనులు ఉన్నాయి.
అది కొంచెం టైం ఇవ్వండి లేట్ అయింది
యా ఓకే நான் அனுப்பிச்சிடுறேன் மேம் நோ இஷ்யூ எஸ் மேம் నేను తెలుగే ఏలూరు బాగుంది సార్ భలే భోజనం చేస్తుంది వీడియో తీస్తున్నాను
ரிட்டையர்மெண்ட்டுக்கு அப்புறம் எப்பவுமே பிளான் பண்ணக்கூடாது சார் முதல்ல ரிட்டையர்மெண்ட் என்ஜாய் பண்ணுவோம்
அந்த பக்கம் ஏதோ நல்ல முடிஞ்சது
நீ அதுக்கு முன்னாடி விளையாடாத
Good afternoon all. We have gathered here to wish Madam a very happy, peaceful retirement life after this. Madam has almost completed how many years? 39 years. 39 years of service. This retirement age also Madam is so active. We have not seen that much active person here. Even people of our young age also not that much active. And 39 years of service, unblemished career. And I am thinking I have completed some 13-14 years. I am thinking that 20 years, 25 years, enough. That's it. But Madam has completed 39 years of service. So we will felicitate Madam and we wish Madam a very happy, peaceful retirement. Congratulations, Madam.
Good afternoon all. Actually, I worked for Madurai and came on transfer. They have posted me to zonal office. Then immediately within no time after my reporting to LHO and zonal office, sending mail also unexpectedly within 3 days they have transferred me to Ambattur Industrial Estate, which I did not want. So another post is Egmore is vacant. So I thought Egmore I can opt. Then they told no, Egmore reserved for one North Indian. He had not been reported still. Then I told, then Safal Tripathi sir, he was very understanding DGM whom I have seen. Immediately he told, no madam, last time itself I tried to retain you before going to Madurai, I could not able to. No, I will post you to Egmore, I will recommend you like immediately. But long back I thought of working in Egmore, but I could not able to get the opportunity. But I am very happy to receive the posting orders to Egmore. And not only that one, I treat this branch as my family members, all these staff members, not just like that not just like that, even one person I could not able to say, without saying hello, I never left. Even being chief manager, I used to come several times to each and every seat. I never felt that I am chief manager and you are the clerk, cashier, like that. No designation, nothing. You know, we are all friends, we are all as a team members, we have to work together to bring the branch up. Whatever my role may be, chief manager CSRM for the bringing only corporate salary package. But you know how many leads I brought to this branch, and all you must work, not to work like me, but you know very well about me, and you also cooperated in each and every area. Even Mahesh sir sometimes passbook, Manoj sir passbook, all they helped me. You all helped me a lot in my profession, and you worked together, and even late evenings also. You all helped me, and even the helping tendency in such a way that I was able to coordinate with each and every organization. Without your support, I might have not completed this, my tenure in Egmore branch. I personally thank, my sincere thanks to each and every staff member in this branch, including all the staff members in this branch, and even Mohan, Vijay and others, girls and Ravi, including driver. I did not know that Venuji is not here, I think. So including all, you helped me a lot, and I wish you all the very best. The activeness, see, the position which I am here because of my God's grace and the treatment which my parents taught me from my childhood, how to be disciplined, how to complete the work within the short span of time. Like that, they have guided me, and Devasen also cooperated. The previous who are all worked with me in this branch, they felt very unhappy yesterday they were unable to come here, and now Amit ji also, after his reporting, Amit ji and the new incumbents, they also felt very happy, and they used to cooperate. Whatever I used to tell Amit, no, within no time Amit used to complete. We could not able to call immediately, but still with the WhatsApp we used to complete. And even after my retirement also, I want to support Egmore branch only. Someone told, you can give to some other branch. Madam, you please give your number. You are having a number. No, my branch is Egmore branch. That's why I will support Egmore only. And I wish all of you all the very best. The activeness, I from my childhood, I am a sports personnel. I used to be participate in all the games. And I like cycling, car driving, everything I knew. So that's why I used to be active since morning to night 12 o'clock. I used to work like anything. So that is the only secret, and hard working only, and the teaching which my parents taught me from childhood, to be friendly with all the persons, to help whenever necessity arises. That only made me to coming up to this end. So thanks a lot for, and Amit ji, all the staff members. I wish you all of you all the very best in your career, and I wish you many more talents in your career also.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot for this opportunity.
Thank you.
Done.
Thanks a lot. despite your busy schedule, you all gathered together. Once again, my sincere thanks.
They have made you only Egmore branch. They have not made your other only Egmore. So you belong to Egmore.
Thank you so much.
வாங்கி வச்சு பாருங்க. Yes. Do the honor.
But ellarkum anyone request any help required from my side, please don't hesitate. You all may have my number. Maybe you might have not saved it, but still you save it.
நீங்க தான் பெட்டு பெட்டு எடுத்து கொட்டு வாங்க வாங்க நீங்க வாங்க அப்படி தெரிஞ்சு என்கிட்ட தான் வாங்க நான் கொடுப்பாங்க நீங்க வாங்கிக்கோங்க
प्लेट है मैडम टिश्यू टिश्यू
of 1.2 crores. Now I'd like to share about the journey of Mrs. Menaka. Thank you, ma'am. I'm sure we will have much safeguard of your participation and convey our sincere appreciation for the valuable contributions made to growth of our bank. We know that we will continue to get honored member of the extended SBI family. We also take this opportunity to convey our best wishes to you and your family for good health, happiness and prosperity in the years ahead. Keep warm because we will not forget you will be able to take your channel.
Arvind sir, CMHR and my dear colleagues. To talk about Menaka Madam, I know her since 2008. I got to know that she was in Pondicherry branch as NRI officer. She was a predecessor to me. And to talk about her, madam is lady of very, very few words. ரொம்ப கம்மியா பேசுவாங்க. She is very, very soft, very calm and composed. She has never, I have never seen her talking in a louder voice also. And the presence of her family members shows how affectionate she is in her family. And to talk about the Sujata madam, I know her since 2021 only. She was in RACPC Madurai as CA maintenance. So when she came to my branch, I was on the downstairs only of this building. So when I saw her, I asked for business. So immediately she said, "Madam, I will give you business." Then she called from Madurai. She told, "Madam, you contact this man, you will get so much of deposit." And Adhe Mari, I got it. And after going to Vellore branch also, I used to contact Madam. Madam, Vellore le irundha solunga. Enakku romba useful ah irukum. She gave some 2-3 leads. And Madam is very hyperactive. I have never seen her, resting, around say, உட்கார்ந்து பார்த்ததே இல்லை. அவங்க பரபரப்பா வருவாங்க. Very enthusiastic and very inspiring. அவங்களை பார்த்தா நம்மளும் ஓடணும் அந்த ஃபீலிங் வரும். And even now, last month also she got some few proposals for mapping. CSP tie-up college she got few proposals and she will come after 8 o'clock only. Night evening தான் வருவாங்க. மேடம் எப்படியாவது நீங்க தெலுங்குல பேசாம எப்படியாவது முடிச்சு கொடுங்க மேடம். உடனே முடிச்சு கொடுத்துருவாங்க. உடனே we put up to DGM sir, get his signature. So wish both Minaka madam and Sujata madam very happy and peaceful retired life. Wish you plenty of health and happiness. ஒரே ஒரு ரிக்வெஸ்ட், ரிட்டையர்மெண்ட் கவுன்சிலா ஏவோ சென்னை நார்த் பிரான்ச்சஸ் ஓட்ட நல்லா 197 பிரான்ச்சஸ் இருக்கு. திருப்பதியில செட்டலானா இல்லைன்னா மேடம் வேற பாண்டிச்சேரி வேற செட்டலானா டெபாசிட்டிங் இருக்கட்டும். ஐ மீன்
15 panel has been arranged with the HR department where our heroines, 2 heroines, they have completed more than 30 years of service and they are now here. The president of today's function and AGM, Comrade Sharada, and 2 heroines, Sujata madam and Minaka madam, and CM HR, person who is taking care of the module. In fact, we are having a competition. The other day he was telling me, I am trying to reduce the number of officers visiting your office for transfers. So that is his challenge. He has put forth, of course, he has reduced to the maximum. Wherever our officers they are asking for posting, he has been taking care. I thank him for that. And my zonal secretary of zone 1, Comrade Arvind, a sportsperson, and my dear comrades. Today we have concluded the 93rd CNC meeting, and in the CNC meeting we had an opportunity to interact with our new CGM. And comrades, during the discussions we had, the CGM was having a very excellent opinion about the module, about the circle. He was telling the performing circle, and this circle has got great legacy. And he was also telling that he asked us to pass on the message to the officers to take care of the systems and procedures and not to follow the SOP of the bank. And following SOP or anything, it has to be recorded and it has to be kept in the file. That is, as per the bank instruction, whatever is being asked to do, if the officers or staff, if they do that, that is enough. That is what the message was conveying. And coming to the felicitation part, actually one Jhansi Rani is sitting and she is a terror. And as the madam was saying, terror in the sense she will be like she is a busy bee, always very active. Even now also you cannot say she is 60 years old, and so active and she has contributed so much to this great organization. And when we talk about madam, it is a reverse. His voice was loud, I could hear what she was saying, and the way, the happiness inside her. And of course, in nowadays, the people those who are retiring from our bank, they are more happy than they are serving the period. They are very happy. That I could see from the face. And she was introducing the family members, and she was telling the way she markets business and the commitment she gives to the customer. She will come to us and she will tell literally, sir, somehow you have to process this, you have to sanction this amount has to cannot be reduced. So she will be advocating for the customers. She wants the customers and she will be working for that. And time and again, normally now the processing centers are entirely different. Those days we give time only for from 5 to 6. Only the timing where the BMs or women counselors can enter the processing center. So the restrictions were there. And that time she used to come in the evening when she completes the day's work and she comes to the RSCPC, but still she will be full energy, fully charged. And she is a person we always like to be with. That is the positive energy she has got. And always, yes, anything you tell, she will tell, yes sir, we can do, we will do this. Even now, as my madam, Sharada madam has rightly said, I think we were also discussing when we were in Vellore main branch. Madam, you talked to Sujata madam, she has got a good connection with VIP. Definitely she will help. I was discussing with Sharada madam. Because she has such a close connection with Mr. Vishwanathan, really, their family. So much of deposit, so much of business she has been giving, and she has been extending her support. And the commitment, the hard working, and the punctuality. When she says something, she will do it. So that is she's a woman for words. So that kind of person is really very rare. And comrades, this quality we have developed, this organization, today whatever benefits we are enjoying, whatever is there because of the hard work done by both the staffers who are sitting here. And of course, when it comes for her rights, she will never allow us to sleep. She will keep on, till the end, she will see that it is happening. She will never rest. And we also, the pressure we will not feel. She will talk in such a way. Of course, she is basically a Telugu family. The way she speaks, even some Kavita also she will tell in Telugu. So like that, somehow she will inspire us and she will make the works done without any, hard words. So that is the way she has been really the wonderful journey we had from 2009, and the appreciation, the motivation. That alone is beyond imagination. Whenever we go, just talk to her, she will just boost us. The energy levels, battery down and always I feel that I want to see her, I want to talk to her because of the motivation. This is like associated people know. There will be a lot of people will be telling her, but madam எப்பவுமே எங்களை என்கரேஜ் பண்ணி ஈவன் டியூரிங் எலெக்ஷன் டைம் ஆல் த வே throughout her career, my career, I have seen her, I have traveled with her, she was appreciating and encouraging, and I will be missing you madam for all the support you have been extending. And madam patti sonna she was in Rasnak, Vellore. And
dear comrades, hearty congratulations to you on the eve of your retirement for the bank service on 36/2024 after successfully completing meritorious service in this great institution, State Bank of India. We appreciate your solid support and participation in all our association activities as a senior member of the entire OACC. We would like to place on record your wonderful contribution to build up this bank and the association to the present stature. We express our heartfelt gratitude for all your support extended to us and wish you and your family all the best to have a happy, peaceful and healthy retired life. Signed by Dr. P. Nitish Andri Raja Singh, President, Central Ramesh, General Secretary.
I requested my parents to permit me to go to, because from the childhood itself I used to be very hyperactive and soft. I want to work during holidays in one factory. Kindly permit me, let me permit to see how they are leading their life like. Then my parents told not to go like that. Then I had a strong inclination to study well, to get job. Because when handicapped, I'm not physically handicapped. Why should I depend on my parents like I thought? And I studied day and night, all night I used to study for these competitive examinations. And not only this competitive examination, other competitive examinations, LIC also I prepared. I got selected first in LIC. I joined in LIC before completion of my graduation in Tirupati. I worked for 2 months. After that, I have been transferred to Srikalahasti. After 2 months, it was a very new branch. I did not want to work. I thought of quitting that job to get other job. Meanwhile, I got an interview in this State Bank of India, and I got selected. I worked first parent branch was Puttur. In Puttur, I did not know anything about that. Just like that, they have thrown me to government seat. You must sit in government seat. It's a mandal office, very big queue up to the bus stop. I did not know whether the queue will be completed and when I can have the lunch. Like I was anxiously waiting, but nothing happened. So it went on like that only. Then I started, because generally I used to be very fast in performing. So I have completed, and Puttur branch felt very happy of my services. After that, my mother felt sick. I thought of asking transfer to my nearer place, my native place. So I have preferred Tirupati. They have given me commercial network Settipalli. There I worked. After my joining, within 6 months, unexpectedly at the age of 22, unexpectedly 2 delegates came to branch. Already they are national gang. Already looted 7 banks and 8 banks was mine. They will training for 2 days. After that, it was a remote area between Rayagunda and Tirupati. They came and they thought of attacking us, and they wore 2 dresses with very big spots and real pistols. Because I am very young, for 22 years only, so I thought it was a pistol for Deepavali they bought it like that. So just I was watching. Then immediately I came to, I told my staff members that they won't put 2 dresses. It was not quite advisable to be just like that. We must be very active. We must be spontaneous. We have to act what they are doing like that. They have applied only for 6 rupees draft for Kovil for some university. Immediately they came there and they took the draft. They went outside. It was a remote area that branch. None were there. Again they came at 3:30. That time because it was a branch was situated in industrial estate, and none were there during that time afternoon lunch. So that time they came again. Manager was very busy with verifying the signatures of officers, 2 officers. And then he came, madam, sir, the code number was wrong like he told. Then when they checked, the manager was telling our branch manager, no, our people won't commit a mistake. It may be correct. Let me check. Like he came again to branch to that time not systems and all. Only manual. One code will be there. After seeing that code, we have to return manual draft. He told us, sir, everything was correct. Immediately he directed, because the time counters were very high and I was, as usual, short only. So I sat, he said, he was just directing, John was moving. Then I came to know that he was directing the other guy to do something like. Immediately he jumped to the counters and he tried his level best to loot the cash. Then everyone had become alert. Alerted, they did not know what we are doing. Immediately they told that they thought of attacking, and we were trying to resist it. Then they told, because we were nearly 8 members. Immediately they told that our gang was there outside. So gang means how many people were there, we did not know. So all of a sudden, even though defense, somehow we tried our level best for adopting the decanting. Then immediately I called police. Police also came after 5 kilometers away. Police caught hold of one guy. One guy was ex-MIA's son. He took immediately cyanide and he passed away. The police caught hold of the second guy. 5 years we faced a critical problem of life or death like a question. Because wherever I was going, not only myself, all the staff members. Any yaar konniduvaangalo theriyadu. And the situation of somehow last days. Then immediately our DGMs are all came and they asked us, wherever the branch you require, you please inform us, we will transfer to the same branch. Then everyone got shocked and they requested, they made immediately without any hesitation, they have given the transfer. And I came only for the purpose of my mother's health. So where can I go? I told then I told it is not the question. I want to take care of my parents. I did not want to go. Then immediately, even I used to go by bicycle one day, car one day, or else two-wheeler one day, or else walk or by bus. So whenever I was going by bicycle, very big list will be there. After that, what are all the things required, they used to put in my cycle stand. Please be ready with this. Oh, any day your death is ready, so please be careful. ಯಾರಾவது ಕೊರೋನಾ ಅಷ್ಟಲ್ಲ ಸತ್ಯ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಭಯಂತಿ ಏನು then already police station additional superintendent and security, we need security. Then they have allotted each of the employees one police, one escort. Then the escort also came. He already got married and having two children. So how can I ask him to be my escort? If anything goes wrong, I may die. Why should I cover other thing? So I told I don't want any escort. Then they told, madam, you may be there enough, but it is not quite good. You must have one escort. I plenty refused. God I don't want anyone. If I want to die, I'll die. If there is any return like that, any fake return like that, I'll definitely die. Then they all got shut and after that I continued. I did not ask for any promotion. For the past 15 years because of my mother's health, then all of a sudden one JNG post came. So 50 posts only, 5,000 members applied. 50 posts, 300 members got selected. I strongly decided to for promotion, and then I have applied and I studied in such a way. 50 members, out of 50 members, 49 members were gents and only one lady candidate selected. Then as usual, association, they used to prefer ladies generally. When 50 members or 49 members are gents, they asked first Surya Prakash. I must thank our Surya Prakash, General Secretary of Hyderabad Circle. He called me because during that Settipalli tenure, when there was not computerized, during the time that evening times, at the time of starting of computerization, evening time, my house is nearby only. So he used to ask who are all willing to come to branch. They may come after 6 o'clock. In a branch, evening 6 o'clock we used to come. We used to complete the work up to 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, feeding the computer. Namela computer is but I did Goa. During 1988 itself, I have completed Goa. So they asked me to feed it and I fed all the watches. We used to tally everything every evening up to 9 o'clock we used to sit. My parents used to tell, extra what for you are going? All are there, gents are there, what for you are going? Then like that I have completed. After that they have given me association. I must thank our association. Surya Kumar sir posted me. He asked the first preference which branch you require. Then I told sir Sriharkota because I like the market launching and all. So being it, I thought of going to that. Sir, then gents also came for competition. What for that lady? Let her, she goes nearby to her house. Why need like? But Surya Kumar sir strongly decided and he had given me post. And I did it in such a way that Sriharkota, scientists and engineers, they are all high-fi and they won't consider the other departments. State Bank of India or Postal Department or other departments, we were all least considered. Then I fought with the director and the head of the organization. I fought with them. We have been given only asbestos sheet quarters. I told her, if you want your rocket launching cryogenic engine should be sent means I have to process FLC. If you are giving 9 people, it should be in the good area. I mean, the facility should be good for us. Otherwise, I won't process this. In such a way, discussing, and we got the RCC roof, the buildings for all the staff members. And not only the service, 6,000 to 7,000 members will enter. And only 1 minute or 2 minutes time only. They wake up, Madam Chalana, we have filled up. When can we correct? Or else on express deadline, when can we come? Sorry, please sign. Evening while going, buses won't stop. Within 5 minutes they have rushed. Bank order car send and in such a way I served as civil recorder, and director and controller felt very happy, and they have given me best customer service certificate from the controller office room. And during that time, commandant also, he felt very happy of my services, because in 2004 itself I did a CSP conversion of 450 employees in Srinagar, paramilitary process. That time paramilitary process was there, PMSK account. So they had given me the due letter. So after that I see, whenever a lady is working, means lot of jealous also will be simultaneously. Then automatically she was only getting name. Why not be like, sir, that lady is not at all working. So like that, some complaints, some unnecessary issues gone. Then I did not want to prefer. I did not do the field officer job. So field officer CNA. Then I preferred field officer CNA in Surulpeta. They have given me the posting. Within 1 year I came to work in CNA as CNA field officer in Surulpeta. Then I got transferred to preferred to Chennai circuit due to my mother's ill health. I came to Chennai circuit, and 2 months only temporarily parked in LHO. During that time, Suresh sir was AGM. He felt very happy of my services. Immediately he told, no, you are experienced in forex, you are experienced in field office, CNA field officer, as CNA field officer, so you must be posted in such a way where the forex and mid corporate CNA field officer required. In such a way, I have been posted to Civil Chennai. Chennai, I worked in forex and mid corporate group. I served from 2006 to 9. Then I thought of opting for, I got promoted as a scale 2, and I have been posted as Kodungallur branch manager, first branch manager. On the Sutti and the bank field, where our state bank service panna, so many people used to come, customers. We can grab so many customers with the service and smile. Then so many customers came. It is like a Kalyana Mandapam of a branch. So I did exceedingly well in the service in that branch. And I had many certificates also in Kodungallur. I got slavery within 2 years. I have been posted to Vellore. Vellore region, I worked as MPSC and NPM manager. MPSC, I made a Vellore region, all India level 10th rank in the credit cards sanctioning 500 credit cards in 2011 itself I was sanctioned. 500 credit cards. It's like a record date. And then sorry. Then I did business, home loan and everything, as whatever NPSC should do, everything I did, and I got a very good business to State Bank of India, Vellore region. And in Arka recovery also, during the dispensing search period, dispensings are permitted, whatever you want to do, you know the rules and regulations very well, you can do whatever you like. And I give approval, so many things we did. And now in the Vellore RASPAC, there is one building RASPAC in Vellore. The owner approached for 25 crores loan, which our bank refused. Then I immediately, because 25 crores loan, other bank, I could not able to digest it. So I got a meeting, dispensing sir directly, DGM sir. Sir, like this one loan is there. Then he was kind enough. He told me to send the papers and 12 crores sanctioned within no time for that loan. And still now that the customer, he is a very big shot, but still he is in touch with me now. So in such a way I did so many things in Vellore. After that I got transferred to Rayapeta in 2015. Rayapeta loan, actually lockers and all should be updated in CPS. But no CPS updated, no lockers updated in CPS. 450 accounts lockers should be updated. Only locker everything, how to operate, permit the operation. Then I started updating everything. 3 accounts, parking accounts with 11,000 entries I did. When I was in Vellore, 300 swiping machines I first installed in Vellore, and I stood first in Vellore. Accordingly, in Rayapeta also, I have got out of only one customer of Mahindra Hotels and Resorts. I was able to source 350 swiping machines only for one customer. And as far as sir is telling regarding business, no, we did like I did even in advances, deposits, and even cross-selling, everything I did. Then I transferred to Tenapet. Tenapet also, which was surely Thomas Madam reported. First her request to give her 2 crores loan. Who can give? You can raise their hands. First of all, I raised hand. I did not, because city we cannot get gold loans or 2 crores. In 2017, I have given a commitment to madam. So I was able to do 2 crores, and I told madam that whatever commitment I have given, I have fulfilled it. She felt very happy in such same manner in other areas also. I did a lot. And after that, I got a CM admin in region 1 in 2019. 2019 also, it was very critical situation. One side COVID, other side the pre-LCPC farms and the banks merger. So the unlicenses, even the security aspects, fire aspects, everything was very, very difficult to manage the branches. But still, God has given me strength to cope with the situation, and I was able to successfully complete whatever the task given to me. After that, I have been transferred to Madurai. Madurai, I have been posted in RACPC Vellore. RACPC Vellore, that time FIM, unnecessary FIM opened, again they told that FIM should be dismantled. All loans sanctioned by branch managers should be scrutinized by the RACPC. So there are nearly 500 loans, housing loans scrutinized by me. What are the discrepancies I have rectified, and I have supported DGMs also in investigation of other aspects. After that, the last journey in our Avona, I have been posted here as project to prepare CSRM, and with all your cooperation, I have successfully completed. I was able to render my services from the day of my 1985 to 2004, 39 years of service I have completed. So many challenges I faced. Each day being a lady at home. I faced so many concerns, but still, example, challenging. I never given anything. I never do like I never told to my bosses. Whatever task given, I have successfully completed. These are all the planning, the dedication, everything. My parents only taught me from the childhood. Whatever you want to do, you have to do. Within the commitment, within the span of time, you want to complete the task like my parents taught me. Now my parents are no more, but still, wherever they are, they will definitely bless me. And this is the banking journey of mine. And my sisters also here, they came normally, and my relatives also here. So, however I faced the journey, now I request all of you, I did not want you to take such risk, but still, the organization who has helped me from the day one of my starting of the journey. Please be commitment to the State Bank of India, and whatever the work given to you, as again Ravi told, to be on time, don't sit here, and please complete your task. And thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Thanks a lot.